For the final piece, let's add a footer element. We'll put this right before the close of the container div. Just like the columns, let's start off with some basics so we can see the footer, height, and a background color. Now we can see the footer is way too far up on the page. This is because the section and aside elements above are floated, and thus out of the normal flow of the page. As a result, the footer moves up into the space they're not reserving. We touched on this problem in the last challenge when we talked about clearing floats. In fact, if we remove the height from our container, we can see this exact same problem. We want the container to be as tall as the content, and we want the footer to always fall below the columns. To do this, we have to set the footer to have a clear property of both. This means it will clear, i.e. fall below, both left and right floated elements above it. As a result, our footer lands where we want it, and our container will always be the right height. All that's left is the links in our footer, which will touch upon similar points we saw with the nav section up top.